on. You feel me? You see that? Now all my touchscreen shit start working. Like, I don't get it. Alright, so it's been about an hour. The last shop was going to charge me $21 to patch up the hole, which ain't too bad, but it's definitely like $1 more than what I would have spent that super tire. In all honesty, I don't want to spend $20 at all, especially since I'm trying to stack up money for the BMW budget build, the E46. Not gonna say too much more about it, but yeah. So waiting on these dudes to pop up so we could knock it out for the free ski. There's the boys now. Yes, sir. What's up, pimps? Nothing coolin', sad, depression, flogging. Hi, how you doing? You know.
How are you?
Sad, depressed, depression.
It happens. Do you want to try and move? You can move it right,
to right here?
Yeah.
We could look at the screw real quick while I got it up, because once I roll it back, I don't know if it's gonna be on that side. But it's right here. Yep. That is a good one. Went right in there. There he is. Sticky. Chomps! So have y'all started on the minivan yet?
What happened?
Okay. Josh, you gonna teach me how to ride a dirt bike with Tyler today?
Today? Dude, that shit's fun.
What, eating concrete?
Eating shit on the concrete?
Yeah. You can do it from that little sway thing back there. You see my little hook?
This little hook right
Or
here?
you can do it from right here on the wheel.
I could do it from this hook here. That doesn't... should be fine.
How's that thing holding up? I never jacked with that.
It's okay.
I was about to say, I seen somebody doing it. I was like, oh, that's a cool way to jack up the car, I guess.
That's all I got. It's not off the ground, is it?
Nope. Nope. You want me to pull the handbrake?
Yeah, you can put the e-brake on. Is it free?
Yes, so. Okay. Sad.
Get it started with the flathead. If you can. Right, you're good on that side. Try and work it around. So let me start working on that side.
So you kind of want me to wiggle it.
Yeah, just work around it. Push it through back and forth a couple of times to clean the hole out. Make it a nice circle hole. Don't be afraid. Oh, you want to keep it inside, yeah. So just try and run it back and forth inside. Alright, so you should be good there. Now you want to prepare yourself, so get that. Pull that out and you're going to put that right in there. You're going to have to force it in, alright? Okay. Just have to work it in. There you go. Just keep working it in.
You're not gonna watch. Like all of us.
Here, let's set it up and down. Okay. Put straight pressure down.
once you get your like dead weight on it, you
Okay.
just put it in. And you'll just go almost all the way through on the other side.
And that usually gets cut, but you don't have anything to cut it with, so.
I'll probably grab some from inside.
Yeah, you can go.
Top of it.
One good push.
Alright, that's good. Perfect.
Tyler has almost been in every single one of the vlogs. You was in the first vlog. We missed you in the second one. Welcome back to the third vlog. Spending money on this thing, I'm cutting into my BMW budget. Skr, 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 skr. Yeah, I was about to say, really, to be honest. I just seen it inside. I was so sad. I'm dead.
What are you working on today? Huh?
Yeah.
Catch me outside.
Yeah. I may end up doing a video on this eventually. Whenever he let me.
Drugs in my phantom. Fucking on
Did
the
a walk
dancer.
around.
Smoking on this cancer. Call me, I don't answer. I was out in New York with a couple models. Bought the few bottles. My dick she gon'
Okay.
swallow. She really a dog.
Alright, well, it's your boy Chris Martin. Yeah, you know, we about to fix on the minivan for my homie. You know, we done did the tire. Time up minivan up. So, what you think about the minivan, Slim?
Reliable.
Reliable.
About time for some work though.
Yeah. It's nice to see that get done. I was kind of like, damn, missed out on the brake job. Got that thing. When we go be able to do a mod video for this. He already did the ECU thing, right?
Yeah.
He ain't trying to slam it, is he?
I don't think so. That's the reason.
Yeah, I was about to say he got a stump bar in the back. Happens to the best of us. Minivan love. That shit nice. He ain't spool it. I'm so sad. I was waiting. I was about to say, I don't got